I've always wanted to buy one since last year and finally nakabili na rin ako. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tori here, and in today's video, gagawa ako ng review or unboxing ko na video about inPods 12 wireless earphones. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up and ring the notification bell. So, sigurado akong marami na sa inyong nakakita ng wireless earphones na to kasi it's colorful or it has pastel colors na sobrang cute at nakutan din ako. Doon pa lang gusto ko nang bumili last year pa lang. Kaso ngayon lang ako nakabili. Ang akala ko na presyo niya is mga 500 plus kasi yun yung nakikita ko sa online or sa ibang online shops at saka sa Shopee. Pero ngayon, mas mura na siya. Pwede natin tong i-purchase sa Shopee, online Facebook shops. So, in-order ko lang itong inPods 12 wireless earphones sa isa kong friend na nagbebenta nito. Since mas madali kong sa kanya ako bibili kaysa sa online para support tsaka para pag may dali ko lang siyang makukontak. Charot lang. I got 2 inPods 12 wireless earphones. Itong isa sa akin. Yung isa, will gift it to my mom on her birthday. Bili ko siya sa halaga hindi tataas sa 300 pesos. Unlike other shops, mas mataas yung benta nila sa 500 pesos or more or less. Then, inPods 12, meron siyang parang dalawang variety of colors. This one, the pastel colors are called macarons. While itong basic colors like white, black, blue, and gray, they are called simple or the simple variety of colors. So, alam mo lahat ng colors. I got mine in green or similar sa mint green. Cute talaga yung kulay niya. I love pastel colors and syempre I love the color mint green. Kaya yun yung kinuha ko. Pero actually, lahat ng colors nila is really cute. Hindi ganito ka-dark yung itsura nila sa personal. Itong nasa box is medyo darker. Pero sa personal, they are lighter pastel colors. Ito namang simple variety of colors nila, okay din. Kasi itong black and blue, hindi sila dumihin, ganun. The colors are really nice. Tsaka yung texture nila, okay din. The box mismo, maliit lang siya. Around the box, dito makikita yung inPods 12. Dito rin nakalagay inPods 12. Dito nakalagay True Wireless Stereo V5.0. Yung harap. Yung sa likod, ganito siya. Parang another outlook or overview of the headphones itself. Now, I'm gonna show you guys what's inside these inPods 12 box. Bubuksan ko na yung box. Isang angatan lang yung box. So, this is the mint green or matcha green color. Ang cute ng color, mint green, parang mint green talaga siya even though na ang tawag lang sa kanya is green or matcha green. Sa loob ng box, kasama rin yung cord, tulad ng iPhone. Maliit lang din siya. And yung manual. Pero sa headset mismo, kasama rin ay cord, pang charge, at saka yung manual. Ito yung manual niya. With all the varieties ng colors nakalagay dyan. Tapos ito yung simple na colors. Dito, nakalagay na yung instructions kung paano i-connect, Bluetooth pairing, Bluetooth use, key diagram, matters needing attention. So, product overview. inPods 12 wireless earphones is a new generation Bluetooth 5.0 standard which supports 2-ear calls, wireless portable earphones controlled by touch technology. inPods 12 wireless earphones are equipped with charging boxes which can provide power for earphones and facilitate users to use them for a long time. Itong inPods 12 can last around 2 to 3 hours if it is full charged. Ito yung cord or charger. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kahaba. Maikli lang, pero carry na rin. I'm gonna try to charge this. I'm gonna use my power bank. Charge natin siya. Testing ko kung mag-charge siya ng maayos. So, ayan. Umilaw yung power bank ko. Umiilaw din yung earphones mismo. So, I think if it is blinking red, it means it is charging. Ayan, charging siya. Ite-testing ko na siya sa phone. So, pag may ilaw siyang ganito, means na it is turned on. Pag i-off siya, ganito lang. Ipindutin ito para mag-off. So guys, now I'm gonna try to connect these earphones to my cell phone and tingnan natin kung anong klaseng tunog yung may offer niya sa atin. So this is the back part and this is where you open it. When you open the earphones, so ayan siya. Ang cute ng color, diba? Mint green or pastel green talaga. Kuha mo ng earphones, ayan, automatic siyang iilaw ng ganyan. Pag kinuha mo siya sa lalagyan, even though naka-off talaga, automatic it will turn on. How do I connect this? I'm gonna put them in my ears. And para mag-on siya, you need to touch it, long press on the sides. So I'm gonna try to connect it to my phone. the Bluetooth. And these are the connected devices. Yan, nag-appear na siya dito sa baba. The name of the device is i12 and the Bluetooth will say that it's connected already. So now I am playing Bohemian of Queen. The song has all the melodies and it's a really good song to test if you have new earphones. So yung tunog niya, it's nice. Maganda yung sounds niya and malakas yung tunog. Pwedeng pang online class, pwede ring listening to music and all sorts of stuff. Sa Bluetooth mo rin makikita if kung anong percentage ng earphones mo, pero dito sa phone ko hindi kita. Pero if you have updated software or updated phone, makikita mo dun sa Bluetooth section o ilang percent yung battery ng earphones na to, if it's 70%, 100%, ganon. Na yung tunog niya, malakas. At yun lang guys, kailangan mag-ingat kayo na hindi nyo siya mapindot habang nakikinig kayo ng music. Dito, iwasan niyang hawakan yung touchscreen niya para hindi mag-disconnect. Kasi pag napipindot ko siya ng hindi sadya, medyo nadi-disconnect siya. Pero if you're aware. So guys, my overall review of this inPods 12 wireless earphones is it's a really good deal at a good and affordable price. Makakakuha ka na ng wireless earphones na good quality and affordable and good price. So this one, for its price, it's really good na. I would recommend you to buy it. You can use it for your online class and you can also use it if you just want to listen to music or watch movies or videos. Well, I've always wanted to buy one since last year and finally nakabili na rin ako. I just hope na tatagal siya sa akin and sana magamit ko siya for like how many years, I hope. I'd also like to add that this kind of earphones is really useful, lalo na kung yung jack ng phone nyo is already broken or your phone doesn't have maayos na jack. Sira na yung jack ng phone ko. Kaya, this is really helpful since Bluetooth na siya. And if your phone has the same issue of ganun din yung sira, magagamit niya talaga. So guys, while you're here, I'm gonna show you also the royal blue color of the inPods 12. I chose royal blue kasi royal blue is like the color of the year in her horoscope or zodiac or something. Hindi rin siya dumihin, magagamit niya. Also a good color. So, I'm gonna try it on for the sake of curiosity kung bagay ba yung color. This darker colors looks more professional while the pastel or macaron colors look more kawaii and cute. So, it depends on your preference kung anong gusto nyong kuning color. So guys, that was my review of the inPods 12 wireless earphones. I hope you guys liked and got ideas from this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell so you'll get updates whenever I have new informative and useful content. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video.